Importing videos into ProPresenter. So what we'll do first, we'll launch ProPresenter because it's always handy to have that. And then what we'll do is we'll create a new playlist that we would put the video into. So this will be Sunday and the date there. So that's created a fresh document for us to do. So now what we're going to do is we're going to decide whether it's going to be a foreground or a background video. Foreground videos are typically videos that are used during announcements or that sit on the highest level of our schematics. So very few things are overlaid over top of them, whereas background videos we typically put songs or text over top of them. So to bring in a foreground video for an announcement, we'd highlight foreground and we click the plus button, and then we just navigate to where the videos would be. So there's likely some videos in the movies, so we could put this one here into it, or let's do the Good Friday opener. So we'll click that, click open, and it's just saying that it already exists in our library. So we'll just hit right over, and it now lives right there. So now to get it into our playlist, we simply click and drag it. So that's ready to go. Now if we want to play it on our service, we highlight it and click the play button. Another way we can do it once it's in this library is we could just create it as a new document. We could call it movie, and we'll call it a announcement, and we'll just click new. And then what we can also do is it'll behave more like a song in that it's got it's on a slide. So when we click the slide, then it starts to play rather than the play button. This is advantageous because what we can do with this is we can add different cues to it. So we could have it that it would clear the audio or clear different things that are happening beforehand. So we can put clear all, and it'll clear everything on the screen before we play it. So that's two ways that you can bring it in. To bring in a background document, you'd also do it the same way. Just make sure that's highlighted there, and then click the plus button, and then navigate to where it is. The other wonderful way of bringing in a document is by finding it wherever it is. So for example, there's a document right over here called Junior Use 2. So what we could do is we can actually bring it into ProPresenter by simply clicking and dragging and seeing the plus. And now it's there and it's ready to go. So we can just drag it and drop it into our service and click play. And so that's how easy that is to bring documents into ProPresenter if they're already in a video file. In the next tutorial, I'll go over how to bring them in if someone brings you a DVD. Thanks.